A new multi-orchestration model just dropped, and it is actively destroying the performance of flagship frontier monoliths like Fable 5 across the industry's most rigorous engineering, scientific, and reasoning benchmarks. While the tech world has been completely obsessed with building giant single neural networks, Sakana AI just bypassed the entire parameter scaling race. They have released Sakana Fugu, a system delivering elite frontier capability through a highly coordinated collaborative ecosystem rather than a single massive brain. Today, this orchestration is no longer just a technical optimization, it has become a geopolitical and operational imperative. For an organization or a nation, relying on a single company's model for critical infrastructure, finance, or governance is a material vulnerability. As we have seen with recent export controls imposed on models like Fable and Mythos, access can disappear overnight. Collective intelligence is the practical hedge against this concentration of power. Because Fugu orchestrates an underlying pool of swappable agents, it simply routes around vendor restrictions, delivering the resilient blueprint required for true AI sovereignty. So, how does an orchestrator actually out-reason a massive standalone frontier model on complex tasks? Sakana Fugu is itself an LLM, trained to call various LLMs in an agent pool, including instances of itself recursively. It behaves like a single model. You send a request to one endpoint, and Fugu decides how to handle it internally by managing model selection, delegation, verification, and synthesis automatically. The complexity of a multi-agent system never reaches your code. Instead of using domain knowledge to prescribe rigid team workflows, Fugu learns to dynamically assemble agents from a pool and coordinate them through non-obvious but highly efficient collaboration patterns. This research-driven intelligence is grounded in two ICLR 2026 papers. Trinity, which uses a lightweight evolved coordinator to orchestrate multiple LLMs over several turns, and the Conductor, which is trained with reinforcement learning to discover natural language coordination strategies that help diverse LLM pools outperform individual workers. The quantitative results show that these Fugu models surpass publicly accessible frontier models and stand shoulder to shoulder with Fable 5 and Mythos Preview. On the brutal live code bench, Fugu Ultra scores a massive 93.2, outclassing Fable 5 at 89.8, and GPT 5.5 at 85.3. On the graduate-level science benchmark, GPQA-D, Fugu locks in a dominant 95.5, leading Mythos Preview at 94.6 and GPT 5.5 at 93.6. To prove this behavior in practice, an autonomous research experiment running auto-research executed 123 experiments over 14 hours on a single H100 GPU to improve a small GPT's training recipe. Fugu Ultra finished with the absolute best mean validation score of 0.9774 bits per byte, leading every individual frontier baseline, and suggesting that orchestrating multiple strong models can consistently outperform any standalone model on agentic ML research. Early users report that for code reviews, Fugu Ultra surfaces more than 20 bugs where other tools flag only about 3. While security engineers note it drives full end-to-end assessments safely inside scope. At launch, Sakana Fugu comes in two models, accessed via a single OpenAI-compatible API, allowing you to switch tiers without changing your integration. Fugu balances strong performance with low latency for everyday work in tools like Codex, and lets you explicitly opt specific providers out of its pool to meet data compliance or privacy constraints. Fugu Ultra is the flagship model optimized for maximum answer quality on hard, multi-step problems like cybersecurity analysis and patent investigations. We are witnessing a massive infrastructure shift where the capability layer is moving from the size of a single model to the efficiency of the orchestration protocol.